Hi, hello kids, how are you? I hope you will be all okay and definitely will be waiting for a new story. Yeah, I'm here, your teacher Sayeda Sabia, with a brand new story. It's all about the hero of Numberland, Zero's big moment. This story is written by Sayeda Sabia. Let's see what's inside. Once upon a time, in a magical place called Numberland, all the numbers lived together in harmony. They loved to count, solve puzzles, and play games, but there was one number who always felt left out. Her name was Zero. Zero often sat by herself, watching the other numbers play. One day, as 1, 2, and 3 laughed and played hide and seek, Zero sighed. Oh, nobody needs me, she whispered to herself. I am just a big nothing. One bright morning, the numbers were bustling with excitement. The grand number parade was about to begin, but chaos erupted. How should we line up? Asked Four, scratching his head. We need a leader, declared Five. I will lead, said One, puffing out his chest. Boom, boom, boom. I am the start of everything. The others nodded, hmm, agreeing that one should go first. But as they began to line up, something felt incomplete. The parade began, and people cheered as the number marched down the street. But soon puzzled voices rose from the crowd. Where are the bigger numbers? Someone called. What about 10, 20, and more? Oh no, gasped two. We forgot the tens. The numbers realized they couldn't form larger numbers without zero. All eyes turned toward her Zero. We need you, they cried. Zero hesitated, her eyes wide. Me? But I'm nothing, she stammered. One stepped forward and gently took her hand. Zero. You are not nothing. You are everything. Without you, we cannot make tens, hundreds, or thousands. A shy smile spread across Zero's face. Really? You mean it? She asked. Of course, said One with the grin. Let's stand together and show everyone how amazing we are. Hand in hand, they form 10. Then comes 20, 30, 40, and so many more. The crowd erupted into cheers. Hooray for Zero! They shouted. The numbers were delighted, and Zero's heart swelled with pride. She finally felt like she truly belonged. From that day on, Zero was never left out again. She knew she was not just a big nothing. She was a key to making Numberland extraordinary. And every time kids count to 10, Zero smiles, knowing she is a part of something amazing. I hope you guys love this story. This is all importance of everything. This book belongs to you. Yeah, don't forget to write your name over here. Yes, next time I will come and bring something else, new story. Till then, bye.